Meet Julien, a passionate advocate for gardening and permaculture. These photos of the Shagala community showcase some of their incredible work and designs. With consistent dedication, watering of plants, and sowing of seeds, they've had success producing quality fruits and vegetables such as papaya, bananas, mangoes. Recently, they faced extreme heat and drought that impacted not only the trees, but also their home. A wildfire caused them to lose their house, and they are now living in a self-made shelter. This is Julien's wife and child, who have also been living in these conditions, where it's damp at night, and this draws mosquitoes, and it can also rain, and there's no shelter, and there are limitations on what they can forage from nature in terms of materials due to local authorities. So our urgent goal is to raise funds to provide Julien with essential building materials for a proper shelter and seeds for food growth during the rainy season. There will be a link in the description to the fundraiser if anyone is able to and would like to donate.
The kid and I, our health is also not in a good position. You can see how it looks like. It's not very safe. And I don't know how I will do when the rain comes. It's very unfortunate for us to be here. My community also depends on me. I have no money to even get some room for the family. I'm requesting for anyone to support me by even iron sheet to make roofing and maybe have even a small house for us, please. It's very harmful for us. We have tried to reach places where we can get help, but it's not working. If somebody wants to know more about this, you can text me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.